Hello, you are welcome to a special revelation topic. Thank you for those of you that prayed for me during my journey to China. May God bless all of you. You are all blessed. Most especially our big mommy, Mrs. Rose Ebo, who prayed for me before my journey. I'm back. I saw and I conquered. I came back with a machine also. In this video, you're going to see some of the revelations, some of the factory made machines for poultry and livestock feed production. My visit is just to make sure that once you make payment for any of these products, you are sure of getting it. For me to make sure that the factory really exists so that we can have a very good business relationship. Anytime you need any of these machines that are in this video, it will only take us time to bring them down to this country or to your location. I have seen all that is produced in this company. I have also seen the machines. I also came back with my own personal machine. So in this video, watch to the end and make sure you share this video. Don't just watch alone. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers. The secret big farmers are using to make profit is revealed in this particular video. I visited China Poultry and Livestock Feed Factory Machine Production Company. The untold truth is posed in this particular video. You're going to get all that is needed for you to have your own feed mill. You can now produce your own feed with your own machine. If you really want to go into poultry farming, you don't depend on commercial feed 24/7. You must make your own feed. That's the only way you can maximize your profit. Watch the video, make sure you share it, and if you have any question regarding this topic, drop it on the comment section. Let's get there. Yes, this is the factory showroom. I first visited the production section, the factory where the machines are produced, but I was not allowed to make video there because so that we will not reveal some of the secret behind the production series. Now this is the showroom. Watch this video. You can see some of these machines here. They are all for sale. They are all poultry and livestock feed mills. These poultry livestock feed production machines are feed grinders or hammer mill. You can see them here. You can see feed mixer. You can see pellet mill. That's the pelletizer. This is exactly the machine that brought me down here because of the pelletizer. You can see a extruder machine for mostly for extruding feed like fish feed. You can also see feed dryers here also. All these machines are available here. Are you looking up to establishing your own poultry and livestock feed production firm? Or do you want to produce your own feed for your own personal use in your farm? Let me know on the comment section. Are you tired of the high cost of commercial feed? Let me know on the comment section. Don't just watch this video. Comment and make sure you share the video to encourage me to produce more videos for you. Share the video to your platforms, groups, to make sure other poultry farmers are also encouraged to start their own poultry and livestock feed production in their farms. This will help us to drop the cost of poultry and livestock feed, most especially those of you into broiler farming. You know that broiler eats a lot and it needs a lot of finance to support their feeding. Share the video and make sure you're subscribed to the channel to get more video from my channels. Thank you. One good thing about all these machines you are seeing here on this video is that they have their spare parts available. The company also produce the spare parts so that if it has any problem, you get it rectified instantly. And these machines are very strong, durable, and they last long. They serve you for longer period of time before you start having issue. And they comes with guarantee and warranty also. Make your own choice now and let me know on the comment section. If you need any of these machines, just contact me. I will direct you so that you get your own immediately. You have them, you have assorted types here. Anyone you need, anything concerning poultry and livestock feed production, all the machines are here. Come and buy your own now. We have a lot in stock for you. You can see them here. You can see them here. These are quality machines. You can't get this brand, you can't get this quality elsewhere except here. This is the only place you can get this particular product. Come and make your own purchases right away. You have seen them here. This is not hearsay. This is You are witnessing acceptance. Anyone you need, any products you need concerning poultry and livestock feed production, we have them in stock here. From automatic to manual. These are the packed ones. These ones are already packaged. See them here. See them here. Extruder, pelletizer, different capacity. With the spare parts also, high quality ones. Because these ones are very high quality pellet making machines. See them here. Come and buy your own now. We have them in stock right away. Do you need fish meat productions also? They are all here also. Yeah. You see them here. They're all here. Come and make your own choice right away. Order for it now that we have enough stock. There is no delay. Once you make payment, you get it instantly. Don't delay at all. No delay.